What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to survive a bomb hole. Now I'm sure a lot of you guys are like, what is a bomb hole? And this is something that really shows up, one, in big snow, but two, on the Midwest, the East Coast, on the smaller terrain parks that don't have a lot of features. In Colorado, sometimes you get bomb holes, but not too often. But what the bomb hole is it's a ginormous hole at the end of a feature, and it happens because a ton of people are just hitting that feature over and over and over, all landing in the same spot, which is running up the landing, creating a huge hole, which looks like if you were to just drop a nuclear bomb behind the feature and just create a huge crater. So there's a couple tips for landing in the bomb hole, that way you can ride away smooth and make it look like it wasn't even there. Tip number one is be in a stacked position. You need to make sure that you're not too upright or you're not leaning back when you land in that bomb hole. You need to be stacked, able to absorb the extra little bit of a rut or bump that's in there. The other thing is you need your board to be going down the fall line, pulling straight down the run. You don't want to be landing at a 90 degree. You're going to catch an edge and you're going to have a bad time. So make sure you're landing with a flat base, riding through the bomb hole. Also, don't try to stop right away. You need to come off that feature and stay straight, ride a little bit before trying to stop. If you get in the bomb hole and then you try to get on the edge, you're gonna get stuck into like a ruddy, like, and you're gonna fall. The other option, and this is if you're a pretty solid rider, is just jump over the bomb hole. Just go faster on the feature and kind of just go past it. Overall, bomb holes kind of suck. It sucks that they happen, but a good snowboarder can learn to deal with it and survive it. You still should be able to land a lot of your tricks on a feature that has a bomb hole. And as a beginner, I understand why it's a little frustrating and it makes it a lot harder to get through features because there's a big bomb hole at the end of it. But hopefully these tips helped you. Remember, be stacked. Don't try to stop right off you get off the feature. Ride straight a little bit. And if you're a little better, just go over the whole bomb hole. I'm scared standing here, but I don't know everything with snowboarding, so if I miss something, make sure you guys comment that down below, as well as what do you want me to cover next with snowboarding. There's so much about snowboarding and I've been doing it for 12 years, so I want to share my knowledge with you. So what video should I make next? Also, if this video did help you, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to not only join the strongest snowboard community on the internet, but my goal is to help you guys become better snowboarders. So hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna keep making some how-to videos for you. Also, if you want to support the dream, support me traveling to cool places like Big Snow, snag an Evolution sticker. They're all linked in the description, as well as any of my hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, and if you do snag any of the merch, just tag me on my Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout-outs. Someone eat it. And as always, Team Buckhouse, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff